Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. I'm going to show you how to trade bull and bear spread through Fist. Go to algorithm, login, select IV spread algo, password. This is the default password which you will be required while logging into Fist. Login, index limit OK. On logging in, you can see two entries which has been enabled here, that is IV spread entry and IV spread rules. IV spread rules will contain all the rules which you make for bull and bear spread. To make an order entry, you need to select IV spread entry, the shortcut key of which is Shift plus F3 and Shift plus F4. By selecting Shift plus F3, supposingly I want to make a bear spread of 64,500 put and 6,400 put. So what I'll do is I'll select Shift plus F3. On selecting Shift plus F3, I get this particular rule box, this particular window, which is IV spread entry. In IV spread entry, I need to select the two strike price. In quote, I have selected 6,500 put, and in hedge, I have selected 6,400 put. The difference logic which needs to be selected here is price difference. Here, you are going to enter the quantity. Order quantity also you need to enter. Here you need to enter the price. Since it's a bull and a bear spread, you need to uncheck the future hedge. The hedge quote ratio here will be user defined. Since it's a bull and bear spread, the hedge and quote ratio will be 1:1. You can change the bid level and the future hedge in price and quantity, bid level in options from 1:5 in price and in quantity terms. You can increase the depth level when there is an illiquid market. During liquid market, you can select the option as the default option as 1:1. If you need to enter the square of rule, you need to check the rule box. If you want to enter multiple rule, like 6,400 put and 6,500 put, 6,500 and 6,600 put, 66 and 6,700 put, you can add through this particular box, which shows add multiple match number, add multiple match. This contains the market value of the bull and a bear of the bear spread. Since you are making a bear spread of 6,500 put and 6,400 put, the difference for which is the price of 6,500 put is 26 rupees and the price of 6,400 put is 10.70. The difference for the same is around 15 to 16 rupees, and in the market value you can see the price is hovering around 15 to 16 rupees. To add this rule, I need to press add. As you can see, I've got various combinations of 64-65 put, 65-66 put and 66-67 put. These all are the bear spread. I have also got the square of rule entries here. This has come because I have checked square of trade and square of trade box. Since I have selected multiple match of 3, I've got 3 multiple matches, which is 64-65, 65-66, 66-67. In case I need to add any of the column headings, I need to press I need to right click on the column headings and just tick the column which I want to insert here. Supposingly I want to enter or insert value column. I just need to check this value column box, escape key. As soon as I press escape key, the value columns comes here. This is check and check box. When all these are selected, start all stop all button can be applied, through which all the rules will be started at a go or all the rules will be stopped at a go. To start this rule, I just need to press F4. As soon as I press F4, the rule has started and it has started quoting. As soon as you press F4, this particular box turns from red to green. If you need to stop this rule, you just need to press F5. As soon as you press F5, the rule box has stopped. I have again pressed F4, and as you can see, around 3300 quantity has been traded, and the same can be checked through algo performance window. Since I have ordered at 15.45, this was the value which I had entered at 15.45, and all the trades which have got executed are at the rate of 15.45. In a similar way, you can trade bull spread. As you can see, the entire 5000 quantity has been traded. To trade a bull spread, supposingly I want to trade a bull spread of 6700 call and 6800 call. What I will do is I will press Shift plus F3. I'll select 6700 call and 6800 call. Price difference, user defined ratio as 1:1. Uncheck the future hedge. Tick on square of trade. This is the apply difference box, in which you can give an apply difference range, which will show that the rules will start quoting only when there is a 0.05 difference gap between your ordered price and the market price. I'm adding this rule. The rule which has come here is sell 6700, buy 6800, and buy 6700 and sell 6800. To make this rule, what I'll do is, to make a bull spread, what I'll do is, I will insert my price. The price of 6700 call and 6800 call, the bull spread price of 6700 call and 6800 call is approximately 13 rupees, approximately 14 rupees, which is the difference between 6700 call and 6800 call. And as you can see, the market value in the IV spread entry box also shows the range is between 14 and 15 rupees. To modify the rule, I need to press Shift plus F2 key. To make a bull spread, Shift plus F2 Shift plus F2 key, through which this window comes. I need to enter my price, which is 14.5. I will enter the quantity, 5000 quantity, order quantity as 250, and I'll update. I need to press F4 key to start this rule. As soon as I start this rule, this is showing market price difference is greater than defined price difference. Do you want to continue? Since the market price is lesser than the price which has quoted, I will change my price to a lower range, that is minus 14 that is minus 14. As soon as I start this rule, to start this rule, I need to press F4 key. As you can see, trades are being done all my trades have got executed of 6700 call and 6800 call. The price which I had entered was minus 14 and my trades have got executed at minus 13.9 and the lower price. You check the average rate in the average column. You can check the rule wise P&L in the IV spread rule box itself and make a decision whether you want to make a square off entry for this trade or not. This was how to trade bull and the bear spread. Thank you.